So, hi Ridhima, first of all, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great.
Okay, it's such a pleasure for us to have you with us. So, I've heard a lot about your journey in golf. Like, it's really inspiring to see how you have made such an impact at such a young age, and your passion and dedication are truly impressive. So,
Thank
I'm
you.
really excited about your journey and achievements and your dreams in golf. So, let's get started, okay? So, my first question would be like, you started playing golf just a few years ago in 2021, I guess. So, what made you to try golf during the winter camp?
I saw a documentary on a really big player known as CV.
Okay,
I was really excited and I wanted to try a new sport.
okay,
And I went to play golf and I found it really interesting and I enjoyed it a lot.
okay. So, that's when you thought that you'll start golf.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So, anything else? Like, it's just a documentary or something you wanted to go in sports, basically?
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I also know like before golf you tried other sports like taekwondo, badminton. So like did you find them interesting or like golf was the one?
Golf was more interesting for me
Okay. Is there
as
anything special about golf? I mean, if you would like to tell us.
yeah, it was a very calm and peaceful game and I really enjoyed I had great passion and I really enjoyed playing whenever I played.
You seem calm, so yeah, that's relatable.
Yeah.
So I heard about your achievement. Like you recently won the Bali Indonesian Junior International Tournament. So
Yeah.
how did it feel to compete at international level and win it?
I felt really great. There were girls from all over the world and they played really well and gave me a tough competition and I really enjoyed it.
Okay, great. So you have had a lot of success at such a young age, right? So is there any competition that stand out as a favorite one or like the most challenging?
I think it'll be Coimbatore.
Okay.
On the second day, I had a high fever and I still wanted to play as it was one of my favorite courses.
Mm-hmm.
I played really well and I got tired and I had to go for a playoff.
Okay.
On the second playoff hole, I did a very good eagle and my friend gave me a tough competition, but I really enjoyed playing it.
Okay, cool. So you take challenges well,
Yeah.
right? Great to know. Now, I would like to know something about your training, basically. Like, what does a typical training day look like to you? Do you
Like,
have a favorite drill or skill to practice?
like I do my warm ups, I hit a bucket of balls.
Hmm.
I do chipping, bunker, and all of the practice. And my favorite drills are on the putting.
Hmm.
There's a drill like where I put on balls on a circle and I increase the like feet every 2-3 minutes. Yeah,
Okay.
that's one of my favorite drills.
Okay, so if there are some budding golfers you're going to meet and they were to ask you what training would look like, what would you tell them in a simple 2 or 3 line paragraph?
It'll be really enjoyable.
Mm-hmm.
It's really enjoying, and you should keep yourself hydrated. Like,
Okay, so this is your tip
yeah,
for the day. Okay. So I saw your parents have been supporting you a lot for your passion.
yeah.
And so, what's the best advice they have given you about following your dream? I've seen they are supporting you very well,
Yeah.
either it's in sports or recognition. So, what is the best advice they have given you so far?
They told me to like nothing is impossible and follow your dreams and just enjoy.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they told that you are the best and you can do it.
Cool. Nice inspiration. So, you have had great inspiration. Yeah, I read that your dream is to win an Olympic medal for India, right?
Yeah,
So, how are you working for that goal? Like, is
and
there something special
yeah,
about it?
yeah. I'm going step by step and working on my weaknesses and strengths.
Mm-hmm.
I'm practicing very hard and maintaining my confidence and focus.
Okay, is there something that is distracting you? I mean, if you feel.
Not exactly.
Okay, cool. So let's switch a bit for some quick fun questions round. So what's your favorite golf course to play on?
It's Prestige Golfshire.
Okay, where is it?
It's in Bangalore.
Okay, Bangalore itself. Cool.
Yeah.
And do you have a lucky charm or like a pre-game routine? You have seen players like.
Yeah.
So do you have any?
Yeah, I do have a pre-game routine. I usually just exercise and do a self-talk.
Okay, self-talk.
Yeah.
That's your. Is something your lucky charm or something? Do you feel like?
Not exactly.
Okay, cool. So you do not believe in luck and all? Is it so?
No, I do believe in luck, but I don't have a lucky charm.
Okay, cool. So next would be, if you could play with any golfer in the world, who would it be?
Nelly Korda.
Okay. Just one?
Nelly Korda and Lydia Ko. Yeah.
Okay. Anyone from India? I mean.
Aditi Ashok.
Okay, cool. Nice. And do you have any cheat meal like you love to eat before or after a game?
After the game, I would like to eat the ice cream.
Okay.
Ice cream, yeah.
Okay, what's your favorite flavor though?
My favorite flavor, I think it's coffee.
Oh, cool. Nice. So thank you, Zima, for sharing your inspiring journey with us. And we really can't wait to see you achieve even greater things in future. We wish you all the best from our team, Creed On.